Hi, I'm Katie Johnson, and I'm going to show you what's inside of this paper pumpkin kit. This was the paper pumpkin kit from November of 2021. It was called Gifts Galore. Inside of every paper pumpkin kit, there will be one little ink spot. During the course of a 12-month year, you will never have a repeat on colors, so this is a great way to build up a supply of Stampin' Up! Colors. And these little ink spots, they work just fine on larger stamps, plus you can use the re-inkers and re-ink them. Every kit also comes with a stamp set. You bring in something so you can see what this stamp set is. This was called Gifts Galore. So you've got a shape over here that could be used as a package. You've got a little bow down here. You've got a to from in a very fun font. You have oh what fun as a sentiment. And then you have happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So let's see what's in this package. And if you take things out carefully, you can save the tissue paper and use this for wrapping other gifts. I also save my boxes because they're all the same size. They're very sturdy. Actually, this one would make a nice packaging. I might give a gift in that one and just cover up this thing that says paper pumpkin. But they're all the same size and they stack real nicely, so it's a great way to have them all fit on a closet together. All right, the kits come with everything you need and a set of instructions. There is some really fun stuff in this kit. This kit is called Gifts Galore, and it's intended to be gift packaging. So every kit comes with a visual on the front of what the intended projects are. Inside, there will be visual instructions for how to assemble. There will be a ruler along the side if you need to measure lengths of any ribbon or twine. On the back, there'll be a visual of all the contents of the kit. There'll be a link to a video on how to put it together, and then there will be some ideas for additional alternate ways to use the product that was in the kit. So this month's kit is intended as gift packaging. You've got these little stamped bags that you could put some candy treats in or some little baked goodies in. It would fit a pair of gloves for a little kid or a pencil school kid or a little case of jewelry or some socks. There's all kinds of things that would fit in these. And then you have these fold-up boxes over here. And the way the boxes are intended to fold, okay, so you see how they go together and they make this nice little container, open-topped container that you can put a gift inside, and then this can attach on the front so it can be a stand-up gift that's decorated. Many people who subscribe look for alternate ways to use some of the product that's in here. So if you're a scrapbooker, this is perfect size to put on a scrapbook page. There's also a website where people post alternate projects that they've made with the contents of the kit. But can't you just use a scissors and just kind of trim right across there? And now you've got a small tree, or trim right across here, a tree that would fit on a standard size card, because this is a little bit tall. So here's a standard size card. And you can see that this tree is a little bit too tall for it, but you could trim that tree. You could just use a scissors, cut right along there. Now you'd have a tree that would fit on a standard size card. Again, this package of packages is too tall for a standard size card. You could just make a bigger card as well, but you could also cut apart those packages and use them individually to decorate a project. And we have a third thing in here, snowman. Again, the snowman himself is too big for the standard size card, but again, he'd make a great little thing to put on a scrapbook page. Or he'd make a real cute little thing inside of a frame. The kit comes with lots of tags that you can use for making your gift tags. It comes with some twine to attach those tags on, and it comes with some little paper clips that you can use to attach them on. So you can see how the paper clips and the twine are used with the tags on these. So this is just an example of what one kit looks like with the Paper Pumpkin program. Most of the kits are cards, but they are not always cards, like this cute one that would be used for some gift packaging. Did you like this kit? The thing about Paper Pumpkin is you can't choose your kits. It's always going to be a surprise. That's where that word Paper Pumpkin came from. It's kind of like the pumpkin from Cinderella, where surprise, the pumpkin turned into the carriage. So this is surprise, the contents of the box are going to turn into something. If you like that concept of getting a bunch of product and having a set project that's intended for you to make, or just using this limited set of parts and making something cool with it, consider doing Paper Pumpkin. You can purchase trial kits. You can get 1 or 3 or 6-month trial kits, or you can just subscribe. Actually, subscribing is a little bit less expensive because the shipping's already included in it. I'm going to put links in the description below for YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, the links will be in the description up above. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm Katie Johnson, and we will catch you next time. Bye.